Science.
Okay, in science, scientists don't work alone. They almost never work alone because it's a bad idea to work alone in science. The reason it's typically a bad idea to work alone in science is because sometimes you can get things wrong or do things in a worse manner. And you need feedback from people around you. You need feedback from peers around you. This is really helpful because sometimes whenever you do something, somebody can come up and say, well, actually, the best way to do that is doing this, and the best way to do that is doing that. So you need people around you to make sure you're going down the right path. This doesn't always mean that you're wrong or that everybody else is right, but it's helpful to get suggestions and for other people to look over your work/experiments. I mean, you could be doing an experiment wrong, and then somebody can come up and help you correct it. Now, here's a problem with feedback. Sometimes people can give feedback and give advice in the wrong manner. They can be kind and they can be really mean and unhelpful and not specific at all. So that's why in science, whenever you're going to help somebody, you need to make sure you be specific about what you're talking about in their experiment or their project or anything. You need to be kind. You can't be mean. You got to make sure you're being kind and nice to people. And you need to be helpful above everything else. Okay? Being helpful is is really critical because you can't just say someone's doing something wrong or they're doing it in a bad way. That's not helpful. You have to show them how they're doing it in a bad way or the wrong way so that they can correct it and help them correct it. It's no use. A good example is it's no use if you tell someone you're playing a sport in the wrong way and then you don't tell them how the right way is, what the right way is. It's just not helpful. It's not helpful. It's not helpful. You have to be helpful. Whenever you critique somebody's work, you have to make sure they explain where they got wrong and what would be the better way to do it. So yeah, be specific, be kind, and be helpful. Again, this is really important for scientists. Scientists don't work alone. This is really important because they need to make sure they get things right. They're not doing it the wrong way. So they have peers come in and look at what they're doing and look to see if they did it right. This is called being peer reviewed. Peer reviewed is just whenever you get a bunch of people of your peers that go in and review your work to make sure that you got it right. And yeah, it's really important. So anytime you're doing something in science and you're questioning whether it's right or whether it's wrong, whether you're doing the experiment wrong, go talk to some peers or talk to adults or other people that have experience or act just a little bit more knowledgeable than you and ask them if you're doing this in the right manner. See if you did the experiment right, see if you got the right answer. And yeah, it's really important, okay? So do it. And don't shy away. Don't shy away. Don't just be upset whenever people correct your things, okay? It's good to get better and to learn. My throat. Let's go.